Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 4MATIC. This is an all-electric vehicle. Comes in a white exterior with a black leather interior. And in today's, man, can't talk today. In today's video, just going to be highlighting some of the interior and exterior features of the vehicle. Kind of show you some features on the display interface inside. And then if you have any questions or if you want to set up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz. So while we're up here at the front grille, kind of showcase the Mercedes Star grille here. It's definitely super sharp. Definitely really nice, nice look there. EQS badging. And the Mercedes-Benz wheels. Love that black accent stripe too, definitely pretty cool. We've got the retractable door handles here, which is a personal favorite of mine, which also has Mercedes-Benz engraved there. So those door handles will actually open up if you approach the vehicle with the key in your pocket. It's got a proximity sensor, so it'll go ahead and unlock the vehicle for you as you approach. Don't mind my 360 camera in there, totally forgot about that. So we've got power memory seats, heated and ventilated, and this controls the passenger side as well. Again, the Mercedes Star accent trim throughout. You'll see this on your door handles as well as the dash as well. All right, we also have the premium Burmester upgraded speaker package. So you got speakers throughout the vehicle. Definitely really, really nice. Got your black leather seats here. Quick peek up at your sunroof, stretches from the front to the rear. And let's hop inside. All right, mileage on this vehicle currently just over 9,000 miles. Got a push button ignition. And again, it's an electric vehicle, so it is pretty much whisper quiet once you start that up. I'll show you our steering wheel controls here to start. On this left side here, we've got our cruise control settings here, and then a home touchpad, and then a back button here. If I press that home button, you can fully customize the driver interface here. Some of these are just kind of cosmetic. And there's also some really nice functionality here with the navigation in particular. I'm a big fan of that. Just kind of keeps your eyes a little closer to the road. And while I'm here, it's kind of hard to see. You can see that 0. That's actually our heads-up display. So it'll actually reflect off the windshield, so you can, again, keep your eyes a little closer to the road. So again, hitting that home button, all kinds of other options here for you to choose from. While we're here on the left side, we've got our wiper controls, both the front and rear wiper, as well as your turn signal. We've got paddle shifters here on either side. We've got our Mercedes-Benz shifter here on the right side, so you just flip that up for reverse, which will then activate your backup camera. So there's a ton of different cameras here available with very high resolution. We've got our overhead view, we've got our rear view. You can switch to a front view. You've got a left or right side, and then you can also use the touchscreen to fully move it around. You can even zoom out, so you can see the car here on our turntable. Got some folks having a little chat over there. You can see license plate numbers here surrounding you. It's definitely very high resolution. This auto one gives you the nice overhead view. And we've also got parking assist, which we won't do here on the turntable, but we'd love to show you how that works in person sometime. Back to our shifter. So then you'll just flip that down to activate drive, and then push in for park. Just below that, we've got some more controls here. Well, let's get in focus. There we go. So we've got our volume controls here, as well as accepting or declining a call, some Bluetooth settings, and then if you press this home button, this one here activates your main interface here. So it's using the touchpad here. You can switch through some different things, and then just push in to select. So now we're here in our comfort menu. Just for example, we do have massaging seats in this vehicle, which is super cool. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. I think I deserve it. And you've got all kinds of different seat settings you can fully customize here. And there's also ambient lighting all throughout the vehicle. You can see it up here on your dash, doors, it's even in the vents there. It's all fully customizable with this interface here. Got a multicolor setting here, so you can see that'll kind of change some different things here. There's also a monochromatic one, so you can just pick a single color. Pretty fun. You can really kind of customize the look and feel of the vehicle. Okay, so showed you the steering wheel here to start. Then back to our display, full touchscreen here, as well as those steering wheel controls. So radio, for example. Navigation is kind of your default screen, which is super nice. We've got our EQ here, so you can find nearby charging stations and whatnot. Kind of highlight the range. And then your charging screen, show your current charge, how many miles and all that. You press that socket flap open, that'll open up the socket flap to actually do your charging. Below that, we've got our dynamic select button here, which will switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Quick access here for the parking cameras, quick access for the EQ screen, quick access for your vehicle settings, and so on. Below that, we've got a wireless charging pad here for a cell phone, cup holders, a little extra storage, a couple USB connections down there, a little bit of center console storage here. And then last thing I'll show you on the interior up front, that's your sunroof controls there. You just slide back to open and then slide forward to close. Go ahead and turn that off, even though I really did enjoy that nice massage. Thank you so much, Mercedes. Let's check out our rear seats here next. So you notice this kind of two-tone leather throughout the vehicle and the accent stitching, LED ambient lighting throughout, heated seats here in the rear, and again those Burmester speakers throughout as well. Rear seats right there. Do have rear climate control. And let's do one more quick peek back up front. Alright, one more quick peek at your sunroof. Again, front and rear sunroof. And finally, we'll come around to the rear. We've got our EQS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. And you just flip up the Mercedes star there to open your trunk. Power opening and closing trunk. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 4MATIC. Don't mind the 360 camera. It was now on top of the car. I snuck that out, you didn't see that. But yeah, if you have any questions, you want to set up a test drive or need anything else, always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.